Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the perfect stocking stuffer for the beauty lover in your life, the Burt's Bees Christmas Stocking Stuffers Gift Set. This adorable little box is packed with 6 classic Burt's Bees products, all in travel-friendly sizes, making it ideal for slipping into stockings, gifting to friends, or even treating yourself. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. Lip Balm. The iconic Burt's Bees Lip Balm, known for its moisturizing power and natural ingredients. Hand Salve. This rich hand salve will soothe and nourish dry winter hands. Facial cleansing towelettes, perfect for quick and easy cleanses on the go. Facial moisturizer. This lightweight moisturizer provides hydration without feeling greasy. Body lotion. This luxurious body lotion leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. Beeswax Lip Balm. Another lip balm option, this one with a slightly firmer texture for extra hydration. What I love about this set is that it's packed with natural ingredients like beeswax, honey, and botanical extracts. It's perfect for those who prefer clean beauty products. This Burt's Bees Christmas Stocking Stuffers gift set is a fantastic value and makes a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone on your list. You can find this set at many major retailers, both online and in-store. I'll link them down below in the description box. I highly recommend checking out this Burt's Bees set. It's a wonderful way to introduce someone to the brand, or to simply treat yourself to some holiday cheer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more holiday gift ideas. Happy holidays!